Hi there again. Another quick video coming at you to help with your homework assignment before we come back to class next Tuesday. Hopefully, again, this will assist you in getting through some of the mathematics. Again, as always, if you have questions or have run into troubles, please feel free to reach out to me on an email message in Canvas. I'll be glad to get back to you just as quickly as I can to help you get through some of these homework assignments so we're not stacked up too much in terms of getting back on track next week. The good news is Unit 5's homework assignment is quite a bit easier, and I think you'll flow through that one pretty quickly. So we will have some time in class to work on this a little bit next week, but I would suggest that you work ahead because hopefully, as you've already figured out, that 75 minutes that we get to meet in class goes by quickly. Told you I'd come back and drop you another quick video example of how to do a batch size using the Pearson Square method. So I've set up a little example here. We're going to make a 36% crude protein mix using oats and cottonseed meal. CSM, cottonseed meal is my abbreviation. And we're going to make a two-ton batch size, so 4,000 pounds in your mixer. So let's go through how to do this again. So again, we're going to subtract across. Okay, so 36 minus 12 is 24, and 41 minus 36 is 5. So we have 29 total parts. And again, I highly suggest that you label everything just to make sure. So again, this is parts oats. Remember that feed stays the same spot. This is 24 parts cottonseed meal. Okay, so stretching it out here, 5 divided by 24 times 100 is 21% of the diet will be, or of the mix will be oats. And same thing here, we're going to 24 divided by 29, multiply that times 100. And if you're just running your calculations here easier, you should know obviously that this is going to be 79% of the diet to get us back to 100 is cottonseed meal. Okay? So a little bit different than the other assignment from this stage is now we need to know how many pounds of oats and how many pounds of cottonseed to actually put in the mixer. And so if we know that we're going to make a 2-ton batch size, every ton is 2,000 pounds. So obviously 2,000 pounds times 2 tons is 4,000 pounds. So a 4,000 pound batch and we're going to multiply that times 21% oats. Is 840 pounds of oats go in the mixer. Okay. And likewise, if we take 4,000 pounds times 79% of the batch, so 4,000 pounds that equals 3,160 pounds of cottonseed meal. So, and if you add those two together, you should get 4,000 pounds if you just need to check your math. And I'll show you some other math checks whenever we get back to class next week. Again, a very simple mathematical approach. Works excellent when you have just simply 2 ingredients that you want to mix together and create yourself a quick little ration. In my experience, this works quite handy if you have maybe just a few steers that you're feeding out. You want to just check to make sure that you're in the right neighborhood in terms of a diet concentration. Would work well if you're balancing a diet for horses or maybe some club pigs, maybe some club sheep, a few show calves or something like that. This will work quite simply. In both examples, I've used crude protein as our nutrient balance point. You can also use TDN, as you'll see probably in your homework assignment. So we can bounce for one nutrient at a time. Again, when we have a little bit more time, I will show you how to double check then and see kind of where our nutrient concentrations are. If we balance for protein, how much energy do we have in the diet, and vice versa. So again, hopefully these 2 quick videos give you a little bit of help into starting to work on this homework assignment that we would have worked on today. But again, due to the snow day, we didn't get to meet. So hopefully these help you out and provide you a little assistance. Again, as always, please email me if you have any questions. Be glad to help you out. Have a great day and enjoy your day off.